Did you know that when you buy a share of a stock on M1 Finance, M1 isn't the one actually completing the transaction and holding your asset? It's true. Behind nearly every modern investment app, including M1, is a critical, invisible partner called a clearing firm. The whole process is known as securities clearance. So, what is clearance, why is it so important, and what role does Apex Clearing play specifically for M1 investors? Let's break down the hidden plumbing of your M1 portfolio. In simple terms, clearing is the process of confirming and settling a trade. Think of it like this: when you click buy on a stock, you've initiated a promise to pay, and a seller has promised to deliver the shares. The clearing process makes sure both sides keep their promise. In the world of M1 Finance, there are actually two key players. First, you have M1 Finance, which is the introducing broker. They are the face of the operation, the app, the user interface, the portfolio logic, and the pies. They take your order and manage your client experience. But once you place that trade, M1 passes the order to the other, more powerful player, Apex Clearing Corporation. Apex Clearing serves as the clearing broker and the custodian. This is their massive, vital role. As the clearing broker, Apex handles the operational side of your trade. They connect to the stock exchanges, ensure the right amount of money is exchanged for the right number of shares, and officially record the transaction. This process takes a few business days, often referred to as settlement. More importantly, Apex is also the custodian. This means that the actual stocks, ETFs, and other securities you own in your M1 account are physically held in custody by Apex Clearing. Your account statements, tax documents, and trade confirmations often bear their name because they are the keeper of your assets. This separation of roles is a standard, highly regulated structure in the financial world. M1 focuses on the customer experience and investment strategy, while Apex focuses on the complex, heavily regulated job of trade execution, custody, and account safety. This setup offers two major benefits to you. 1. Security and regulation. Apex is a registered broker-dealer and a member of SIPC, the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, which provides protection for securities and cash in your account, up to certain limits. 2. Efficiency and scale. Apex is a massive, modern clearing firm that works with many of the leading fintechs. This means M1 can tap into an extremely efficient, high-tech engine for processing trades and handling all the complicated back-office paperwork, allowing them to focus on giving you a great, commission-free user experience. So, the next time your M1 pie rebalances, remember that the smooth, complex magic happening behind the scenes is thanks to the powerful, but quiet, partnership with Apex Clearing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.